Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. This is the part 2 of my previous video tutorial where we were creating this calculator layout. So I will show you. This is just a layout and the buttons are not working yet. So in this tutorial we are going to code these buttons, so when you click on button it will appear inside the screen. Okay, so let's do it. Now for this you need to click this JText field and then go to code. Here you will name your JText field anything you like. I will name it screen so we can reference it with these buttons. Okay, now to code these buttons you have to double click on the button and then your cursor will be inside the method which belongs to that particular button. Okay, so this method will be called whenever you click on that button. So inside here what we need to do is just put our variable name screen dot, and we are going to set the text for the screen. So what we are going to set for the screen is 1 because you are clicking on 1. So if I run it and I show you the result, if you press 1 you can see that it appears here inside the screen. Okay, now there is a problem. If you click it multiple times it will only show you once. What we need to do is, what I want is that if you click on it multiple times it should appear here as well. So for this to happen we will use a next method on screen which is getText. So if you guessed it right, so this will set the text of a screen, this will get the text from the screen which you have typed. Okay, but we are not going to use it separately. We will cut it from here, we will use it inside the set text. Okay, first we will get the text and then we will set it after all. Now you should combine its result, the getText results, with this one, so both of them appear. Okay, we use plus inside Java. Okay, if you want to concatenate two things you will use a plus sign. Now if we run the project again, now you can see that how many times you click on one it will appear here. Okay, understood? Now we will code the rest of them. Okay, for 2 we will double click and then the code will be same actually. So I will copy this from here, paste it here, and this will be 2. Okay, again go to design view and then double click on 3. Again code will be same. We will put dot. So we are done with the numeric ones. Now I'll show you the result. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 and then dot. If you click it many times it will also work. Okay, so now we'll code our clear button. Okay, double click on it. It's very simple. You just need to call your screen, set text to nothing, set text to blank, like this. Again I'll show the result. Now if you press these buttons, click on these buttons and then click on C, it will clear your screen out. Okay, so the next turn is the backspace button. You'll code the backspace button. It's also very simple. Just double click on it, go inside its function. Here we will set, okay, screen dot set text. Inside the set text we will get it first. Okay, screen dot get text, because we are setting it again but one character less than before. Okay, for that to happen we need a function called, we will call it on the result of get text. Okay, so you can call it for putting dot here, and then dot substring. Substring will return a string from within the string. Okay, you need to specify the start point and the end point. So we need it from the start. Every character starts from 0, the index is 0. Okay, so we'll start it from 0 until the end of the characters. Okay, so for that we need again screen dot get text dot length. This time we'll use length, and that is because we need to know the length of the characters we type inside the screen. Okay, and that -1. So I guess you understand this line of code. It will set the text, but first get the text, apply the substring on it. We need to get the text from start up to the end. Okay, so we started from the 0 and until the length of the characters -1. So what will this do? I will show you the result. Just run it. This will remove one character at a time. Okay, so if I press on it, look, it's working. So now what will you do? We will code the plus, minus, divide and multiply and the equal sign. Okay, it's really simple. Go to design and then double click on the plus sign. Okay, so it's the method for plus. Okay, for plus button, first we need to create some variables. So come up here after this calc. Okay, so here I need to create a variable. So I'll create it double A and B, and the result. After that we will create OPT for operator. Okay, so the first result will come inside A, the second will be inside B, and the result will be inside result. Okay, this fourth variable is used for the operator which we are going to use. Okay, so for plus we will use 1, for 2, for minus we will use 2. So let's do it, you will understand it much better. Okay, so here you click on plus. What we need to do here is first we will get the result. Okay, so we will use A is equals to screen dot get text. So it will give us the text, but there is an error because screen has a number in it, but it's string, and this variable type is double. So we need to just convert its result from string to double. So that is very simple. You need to call a class name double dot parse double. Okay, this method is used to convert any string into double. So we'll cut this and paste it inside the double dot parse double. Okay, this will convert your string from string to double, so it can store here. Now I will blank the screen again. Okay, screen dot set text to nothing. Okay, that is because we don't want, if you click on plus, the number will disappear and you will put a next number. Okay, so that's why I cleaned the screen again. Okay, so like this, you will enter first number 25, and then when you click on plus, it will disappear, and then you will enter second number, and then you click on equal sign. Okay, first we need to code them all. Okay, so after plus we are going to do it for minus as well. The code again will be same, so I just copy paste. I'll copy it from here and then I'll paste it here, and then go to next one, which is divide. Come up here and then paste it just for divide. Again for multiply will be the same. You'll come here and then paste it over here. Okay, now the equal sign, the main button is the equal sign. Okay, when you press on it, so the result will be calculated and you will be shown the result here. Okay, so let's go and do it. Double click on the equal sign, and then here we will get the second number. Okay, for first number we got the first number with the plus, minus, divide and multiply. Now we'll get the second number. For second number we have created a variable b. Okay, so b is equals to, and then screen dot get text. Again its results is string, so we cannot put string inside double, so we need to call a double dot parse double. Okay, this method is used to convert string to double, as name suggests. So we'll paste it here, and then again we will blank out the screen dot set text to blank. Now what we need to do is, one thing we forgot is that this was the plus button. Okay, this is the plus code. Look, so here we need to specify the operator as well. We didn't do that. Okay, so we do it now. Opt is equals to 1. For plus we will use 1. For subtraction opt will be 2, and for I think the third one was divide. Okay, so for divide we will use 3, and for multiply the opt will be 4. It could be anything you want actually. Now here what we need to do is we will use switch. So based on the operator we will perform a task. So if it is 1 we will plus it, if it's 2 we will subtract it. So it's very easy, just use switch. Now in the switch brackets we will provide opt operator, and then we will create case. So if case is 1, if you put 1, so if it is 1, then what we need to do is result, the variable we have created, result is equals to a plus b. It's that simple. Okay, and then break the code. Case 2, so for case 2 we are subtracting that a minus b. Okay, again break. For case 3 the result will be a divided by b. Again break. For case 4 result will be a multiplied by b. Okay, again break. The default, it's like a else part in if condition, so you need to provide it. Default will never be called. Okay, because we only have these 4 operators, so just in case we will just result is equals to 0. Okay, so we are done. Now it will perform based on what operator is used. Okay, so now we need to show the result inside the screen. Okay, so screen dot set text to the result. Okay, now the same problem appears here as well, because the result is of double type, and then screen will only accept string from you, so that's why it's giving you this error. Okay, double cannot be converted to string. This is very simple to resolve actually, to fix. So you only need to add a blank string to it, the problem will be solved. Okay, so now we are going to test our basic calculator if it's working fine or not. Okay, so 4 plus 4 equals to 8.0. okay, it's working. Again, 25 minus 20 equals to 5.0. it's again working. 56 multiplied by 2, it's working. And our back button is also working, our clear button is also working. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it will help you learn more about Java. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel if you need more videos like this.